Good morning everyone. My name is Shraddha from grade 1. I am going to tell you today's day and date. Today's day is Monday and today's date is 6 October 2025. Thank you. Have a nice day. Good morning everyone. My name is from grade 1. Today's motivational Monday thought is the wild rat and its habitat cannot speak, so we must and we will. Thank you. Have a nice day. Good morning everyone. My name is Shraddha from grade 2. Good morning everyone. My name is from grade 2. Good morning everyone. My name is Shraddha from grade 2. Good morning everyone. My name is Shraddha from grade 2. We are going to tell importance of the day. Today is World Habitat Day. What is a habitat? A habitat is a place where people, animal and plant live. It gives them food, water and shelter and gives safety. What is World Habitat Day? Celebrated on first Monday of October. Learn about homes around the world. Types of habitats: forests, deserts, cities, oceans, mountains. How can we help habitats? Don't litter, plant trees and save water and electricity. We from Shraddha Olympiad School want to send a message that be kind to animals, protect nature and habitats around the world. Never throw trash in nature. Let's grow kindness by keeping our world clean and green. Thank you.
Good morning all. I request everyone to please stand straight for the breathing exercise. Take a deep breath through your nose. Now hold your breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Breathe out slowly through your mouth. Again, take a deep breath. Now hold your breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Breathe out slowly. One last time. Take a deep breath. Now hold your breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Breathe out slowly through your mouth. Thank you.